Hi, this is Dr. Anshu Gupta, MDS from PGI Chandigarh. I welcome you all to my practice Advanced Dental Care Center situated in sectors 18A, right in heart of the city. We have been running this practice successfully for the last 20 years and we are the leaders and pioneers in dental tourism in India. And we specialize in dental implants, cosmetic dentistry and orthodontics. Let me quickly give you a tour of our practice. This is our reception area. And from here we come to the main operatory where we are having the latest and the most modern fully equipped dental chairs including the intraoral cameras and all the modern facilities and technical infrastructure. We have got the latest equipment and sterilization techniques. We have got the most modern autoclaves and sterilization units. The clinic is very neat, clean and hygienic. Many of the tourists have been visiting us from the last 20 years for their different dental needs, especially for the dental implants and cosmetic dentistry procedures, mainly porcelain veneers and metal-free crowns and zirconia crowns. We have been practicing orthodontics, dental implants as well as cosmetic dentistry successfully. We have got the complete in-house facilities like OPG and CBCT machine. CBCT machine is one of the latest gadgets where you can have the 3D information of the patient's bone. This is especially helpful for the patients who are willing to go in for the dental implant treatment. Previously, we used to refer the patients outside to the diagnostic centers for this thing, but now we have got this CBCT unit in-house from Vortec. So all the facility and all the latest and intra-modern structure and equipment is provided here in-house so that the patient doesn't have to go anywhere. And we have got a complete team of doctors for different purposes. We have got three full-time in-house doctors and we have other 3 doctors also on our team. This is the CBCT machine we were talking about. This is the latest machine from Vortec. This is the world's latest CBCT machine and we are one of the pioneers in Tri-City to have this machine. So this machine gives us a 3D information like this. As you can see on the computer screen, complete 3D planning of the patient can be made individually and instantly when the patient visits us. So it saves a lot of time, especially for the patients who are visiting us from overseas and who have got very limited time and they cannot afford to waste any single minute of their time here with us. Do visit us for all your dental treatment needs. I assure you that you will not be disappointed. You can see the description box below where we have given the links for our YouTube channel, our Facebook link, the Instagram link, and you can also see thousands of testimonials of our patients online on Google reviews. Plus also you can see video testimonials of our satisfied patients from all parts of the world. Thank you.